Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this festival makeup look. So if you guys want to see that, then keep watching. Also, if you enjoyed this makeup look and would like to see more, then why not hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. Moisturizer. I'm going to go in now with a primer, and the one I'm taking is by NYX and it is in Sunbeam, and it just looks like that. I'm just going to go in with a foundation, and this one is also by NYX. And it's their Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, and it is in Alabaster. Powder, and this one is by L'Oreal, and it is in Golden Beige, and it just looks like that. Concealer, and this one is by Rimmel, and it is in number 10 Ivory. Take a bronzer, and the one I'm going in with today is by Note, and it is in number 20, and it just looks like that. Take a Wet n Wild contouring palette, and this one is in Caramel Toffee, and it just looks like that. And I'm going to go in with the bronzer first. highlighter shade. I'm just going to take a blusher, and this one is by L'Oreal and it's called Peach Addict, and it just looks like that. Next I'm just going to go in with a highlighter from Urban Decay, and this one is in Luminous, and it just looks like that. Go in with a Fenty highlighter also. So it's the duo of the Girl Next Door and Chic Freak. Just go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing in the eyes. And I'm taking the Nude Dudes palette by TheBalm, which is this one here, and they are the colours I will be working with today. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit closer. So I'm just going to do the eyes a little bit softer because I want to do around the eyes a little bit more dramatic. So I'm going to start off first with Fearless, which is this shade. Take this shade here, which is called Feisty, and I'm just going to apply that along the crease of the eye. So I'm just going to take this golden shade here, which is called Fit, and I'm just applying that to the eyelid. Green metallic eyeshadow, which is this one here, and I'm applying that to the inner corner of the eyelid. Very lightly, just because I want to go in with a pigment from MAC. This one is in teal, and it just looks like the other eye of Carmael. I'm going to go in and show you how I do this side on the opposite side then. So the first thing I did was I took a white liquid eyeliner, and this one was from Catrice, and it's called These White Stripes. And this just really helps to map out where I'm going around the eye. eyeliner, and this one is in Blue Peep, and it just looks like that. And I put a little bit of Duraline by Inklot in it. Take a mint green glitter, and this one is from Barry M, and it's in number 83. Barry M glitter, and this one is in 4, and it's a silver glitter. Went back over the white again just to make it stand out a little bit more. It off with applying a few little gems, but I think some of them have fallen off. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my false eyelashes off camera. Actually, I have this one on, but I'll pop the other one on in a second, and I'll be right back then to finish the look. So that is the finished eye makeup look. I'm just going to go ahead and let the glue settle on the false eyelashes, and I'm going to go in with the lipstick now. So I'm taking 2 greens, and the first one is by Wet n Wild. And it's called Aquatic Prism, and it's actually a liquid eyeshadow, but I'm going to use it on the with some mascara, and this one is by TheBalm, and it's called What's Your Type. guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!